Hello guys, this is your car technician. Welcome back to my channel. I'm uploading a video after a long time. Hope you guys like it. Okay, this is GMC Yukon 2010 model. Okay, the problem in the car is the injectors are working directly and the silencer is throwing fuel without burning burning the petrol fuel. Okay, so I'll start the car now. It's taking a long time to start now, and we'll go to the engine. Okay, we'll go to the misfire check. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8 cylinders. So you can see there is a misfire in number 2, number 3 and slightly in number 6, but most probably it's more in number 2 and number 3. So we are doing a check. Okay, so as you can see, I've brought out the wiring diagram of this car. Okay, so directly we will go to the injectors. These are the injectors. We'll open it. Okay, so these are the injectors. I'll show you. Eight, 6, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is the wiring diagram of the injectors, as you can see. So we have problem in number 2 and here in number 3. Okay, so the colors pink and black. A and B is pink and black, or pink or black, and number 2 is pink and light green or black. So we'll see now where it goes. So the pink is number 20 and here for number 3 it's 13. Okay, so we'll go where the wiring goes. This is number 20 and number 13. Okay, it's going directly to the fuse box, injection A and injection B. Okay, these are the both fuses of the injectors. Okay, this is probably the direct current which goes to the injectors. Okay, these are the direct number 20 and this is number 13 and number 24, 20 amperes fuse. Okay, and the other light green or black, and in number 3 pink or black, it goes directly to the computer. Here I'll show you. As you can see, number 2 injection and number 3. These are the two wires, green and pink. So we'll do a quick check in the car now, whether the wiring, the computer is bad or the wiring, what's the problem in the car. Okay, I'll show you in few minutes now. So guys, this is the number 3 injector here. Okay, number 3 injector. There is a pink wire and a black pink here. As you can see, this is the black pink and this is pink. This black pink goes direct to the fuse box, and this wire here, it goes direct to the computer. the signal here, you get the signal from the computer. Okay, we'll do a quick check whether there is a pulse or there is a direct ground or current which is passing through the computer. Okay, I'll show you now. So we have a tester here. Okay, we have a tester, and this is the wire. This wire is a direct current. Okay, oh, it's working properly. And the other wire, there should be no current or pulse or ground in this wire because it comes directly from the computer after starting the car. Okay, there is no current in this. Okay, now we'll check for a ground. Okay, in the wire. Oh, as you can see, there is a ground passing through the computer. Okay, the wiring is good, the injectors are good, everything is fine in this car. What gone bad is the computer here. As you can see, the computer will be located on the left side of the car, driver side. Okay, as you saw, we got a ground in this wire which should probably not be coming. There should be no ground, no current, only there should be a pulse after starting the car, and we are getting ground in this. As you can see, this is the injector number 1, same wire. If we are checking here, okay, there is no ground, there is no pulse, there is nothing in this car, in this number injector 1. And injector 3, we are getting ground. So this is the easy way to find the problem, is having a diagram list, hope you like my video, guys. The fastest way to find the fault in the car is having a good diagram. So I have, as I can show you, I have all data here. This is the best app I have ever seen. This is the best, scanning fault codes. This is the best app I have. It gives you every car's diagram in this. Okay, all data, as you can see. This is a very nice app to get everything in this car, everything. Like 2024, this is an online app. Okay, you get every models, every car in this. So the fastest way to find the fault is having a good scanner, having a good fault codes app, the wiring diagram, everything. Okay, hope you like my video, guys. If you like my video, hope you like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you, guys.